How to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different sections will appear. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option of your activity. Click on that. Now, here you're going to find different section. Under interactions, you'll find the option of likes. Click on that. Now, in this page, you're going to find all the posts that you have liked on the Instagram. Now, how to unlike any of it. For that, click on the option select. Check in for the post that you want to unlike or remove from this liked section. Once you have selected, click on the option unlike. Click on unlike. With that, those selected posts will be removed from this like section. So this is how you can easily delete and remove all likes on Instagram. Follow the same steps and remove all these posts. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.